Clinical education forms the backbone of quality healthcare, equipping professionals with the skills and knowledge to deliver exceptional patient care. Whether in hospitals, aged care facilities, or mental health services, effective training is vital for both safety and compassion.
In hospital settings, clinical training often includes simulation-based learning, hands-on patient care, and interdisciplinary team exercises. For example, medical interns routinely participate in supervised rounds, practicing diagnostics and treatment decisions under the guidance of experienced clinicians. These immersive experiences build confidence and ensure readiness for real-world challenges.
Aged care services rely on specialized training in areas such as dementia care, mobility assistance, and communication techniques tailored for older adults. Staff receive ongoing education through workshops and scenario-based exercises to enhance empathy and safety. These programs empower professionals to support residents' well-being and dignity every day.
Training in mental health settings emphasizes trauma-informed care, crisis intervention, and therapeutic communication. Practitioners participate in peer discussions, case reviews, and role-playing scenarios to strengthen their ability to support individuals facing emotional challenges. This education fosters a compassionate environment where recovery and resilience are prioritized.
Clinical education and training are essential for cultivating skilled, compassionate professionals across healthcare environments. By investing in ongoing learning, organizations ensure safer, more supportive care for every individual, inspiring confidence and excellence throughout the field.